My name is Robocar.
My name is Kali.
My name is Aditya.
My name is Krishna.
We are the students of Robotic Learning School Panchale. Our team name is Crazy Kids. We made this model. The name of our model is obstacle avoiding robot.
We made this model for the at-house cleaning and auto car parking. We know that many people died in the car accident. Therefore, we use this system in the car. We are many people safe.
For this project, we use one Arduino Uno, one motor driver, one ultrasonic sensor, one servo motor, one breadboard, two wheels and two motors, one switch, some jumper wires and 9-volt battery.
An obstacle avoiding robot is a fully automatic robot which can avoid any obstacle when it faces, when it moves, simplify when it meets an obstacle, and forward automatically stop moving when it make a step back.
Thank you so much.